Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Nessa's World. So today is for my J1 peeps. Yeah, today is for you. And if you hear music in the background, just know some neighbor play some music. I know me probably be copyright for this, but oh well, doesn't really matter. I'm just here for you, my J1 peeps.
Nessa's World.
So we all know that we've been waiting for 11th of May to hear the final hearing of the whole matter of us going to US or whatever this corona business thing. But on the 11th I went on to the website that I normally check, and they were saying that they need more time because they need to go to the Department of State to get more information, and it's going to take them a bit more. So today they released something on the site, and I'm going to put it right here so you guys can go and read it. Yes, you can read it. So basically what they're saying is that it's temporary, the embassy is temporarily closed. So the fact that it's still closed, that no traveling now go on. Or like me, whenever I get no visa, so me now get fit gone away. And even if you have a visa right now, the borders are still closed. So this is my personal saying right now. I just believe say nothing not going this year. And even if not going this year, me not gonna wear. And to me personally, me not believe if you're gonna wear neither, because basically what they're saying is if them open up the borders and everything and you can if you go work, you're technically on your own and you're at your own risk, right? So the fact they're saying that you're at your own risk, that means that they're not really business about you, right? So if you want to go up there and then say you get COVID, then that's your business. That's what they're saying basically. So as me always say, it better for me there my yard, so me not pay no rent, right? And things not so bad out here, that me left and go United States to one country, say full a whole heap of people they have COVID, even though the ratio kind of the same. I think we're taking a more proactive approach to all this COVID thing, and I think we are more under control than the whole US government thing. I don't know what's going on over there, but me think the Jamaican government is doing his best, and I think we're better than America right now when it relates to this COVID thing. That's what me think. So me would rather day here so me not have to pay the rent than me gonna foreign or me gonna US a parent and not sure if me gonna have a job. You understand? Or even if me go up there in a job, you never know what the next 2 weeks can bring. You understand? You never know if, God forbid, me go over there and me catch COVID, me have to sick, and then me have to the hospital, and me have to spend out all of that money in a hospital bill and all those stuff, because remember, I'm not a citizen, so this free healthcare is not for me. So I have to depend on the insurance, which sometimes doesn't make no sense. Me would rather stay here, take back the little money that they might give me, right, and put it to good use, right? I can finish school with that, because right now me practically almost done. Yeah, so me stay here and probably just lose little money then, because even though we may not get all of the money, I think getting back 80% is better than going over there and being unsure. So my suggestion is that stay in the yard, turn on the yard, like literally turn on the yard, not going away. I'm not saying money is sweet and all that, because honestly I was looking forward this year. Like, I don't have a lot of school fee to come back and pay when I go up there and all that, and me they have plans, like me literally they have plans. So I'm just gonna park my back behind, stay home, and work for myself, work on maybe start a business or something, do something with my time while I'm here. And normally I wouldn't go to school in the summer. I know this is the first semester, like this is the first year, the first time ever the first time in my life I'm going to summer school rather. So me me I just occupy my time now, you know, me not stand on my yard and not do nothing. Me just go school online. I know a lot of you may not have the online platform thing, but for those who do, you know, go on to school, register for school for the summer. You never know what can go on next year. Next year, you maybe can jump onto the H2B program, because I think that's what I'm going to do next year. And as I said, I'm going to give more information as I know more information about that, and I'm going to take you along the process, like from start to finish. So if you want to know more about the H2B program, just as me tell you about the J1 program, you know, stay tuned. If you don't subscribe, because that's how you're going to know that when I post a video of the H2B program, just as how I post the J1 program. And you know, you have that link, that section that I have. You can go over to the J1 if you want to watch my cooking, you know, go over there. You understand? If you want H2B, go over there. But for now, I am just more focusing on my J1 students. And as I said, even if next year come, or if we don't, well, we know so we're not going away. But even if next year come and I'm not going, I will still, you know, help you along the way, because as we say, me wish me didn't have somebody way would have helped me in the beginning state. Like the knowledge I may have now, yo, if me didn't have that then, would have there far, right? So I'm gonna still bringing her along, still giving her tips and all that. I know that I'm supposed to do the whole suitcase packing stuff, which we don't need that right now. But as soon as they open up the borders, and if someone decides I'm not gonna go over there, I'll do the video for that. Even if me know me not gonna away, I'm gonna do the video for that. Even if for next year, I'll do the video for that still. So stay tuned for that. And you know, drop questions in the comments down below, like anything where you want to ask, and I'll be sure to answer them in my next video. And you know, list your concerns and anything. Just tell me anything. Tell me what you plan to go. And all them something, like make the next video be a Q&A. So all of the questions I want to have, you know, list them in the comments down below and I answer them for the next video. You understand? Yeah. So this is just my short video for you guys. You know, stay safe, stay home, stay tuned to the news. Well, not really. I don't really watch news because it's so depressing. But stay tuned to your girl Nessa. Yeah, the Nessa news. Yeah, and I know a lot of you guys may have a lot of time on your hand. You know, take the time to do some self-searching, you know, figure out what you're good at, like your talents that God bless you with, and do something. Like for me, I am very technical. I love to work with my hands and like technical stuff. Like when it comes on to paper and reading and all them stuff there, I mean I like it. But when it comes on to like computer and probably maths and all them something, we do them something. So what I decided to do, I bought a sewing machine, which I'm gonna start sewing soon. So I'm teaching myself, watching some YouTube videos, you know, knowing the right procedure how to do things, and practice on some clothes that I have that I need to take in. And then now I'm going to go into sewing some curtains and some cushions, right, for the house. And you know, maybe people see it and like it, and you know, that's a business opportunity right there, you understand? And me decide say, yo, you know, me have to eat, so me I raise some chicken on the back there, yeah. And me have a whole setting where me I wrap by myself instead of paying someone. Me I do it by myself. So make use of your time. Don't just stung, nah, do nothing. Even though sometimes it feel as if there's nothing, you not have nothing to do. Just take it one day at a time, one thing at a time. So get up today and say, you know what, I'm going to read today. You know, tomorrow you say, all right, I'm going to, you know, I'm going to sew today. Tomorrow I'm going to do something else. And you realize you get so much things accomplished. So don't just sit there saying that you're waiting to go to the US, or you're waiting for school to reopen or whatever. Do something with your time, you understand? Yeah. Anyway, that's it for Nessa's World. Thank you for always tuning in.